Hey guys, it's 6:40 p.m. on March 11th. Here's Lester. We got 2 helicopters coming in. Can't tell what they are right now. Moving pretty quick. Coming in front of the Lincoln Memorial right here. Marine One. .717 guys, Marine One just flew by. It's the 3rd one in about half an hour. Okay guys, it's 7:17. Marine One just flew by. We got a airplane and a helicopter in the sky. So one Marine One just flew by. I can't tell what this one is. Moving pretty quick over the Lincoln towards Martin Luther King. Another Marine One, guys. March 11th. It's 7:38 p.m. March 11th. Got a helicopter coming in hot here. Can't tell what it is right now. Looks like it's this is Park Police coming in hot. On the move. Lots of helicopters up tonight in DC, guys. This is probably the 6th or 7th I've seen in the last 45 minutes. 11:41 on March 11th. Here's the White House. This is Lafayette Park, 8th Street and 16th Street. The White House is dark. You see the monument behind it is well lit up. But the White House is dark, no activity. Got some cops behind me here. That's normal. The mayor's cops are always out and about. Secret Service. Here's 16th Street, 11:40 p.m., March 11th. Nothing happening here in DC.